Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be super exciting because I'm all set for my next trip, and I thought I would like to take you all along with me while I pack everything. So let's get started. So before we get started with packing, I would like to show you my new travel bag which my brother has ordered. He had the similar bag which I had loved a lot because it's quite spacious, and I have traveled with the similar kind of a bag before, and it is super spacious. I love this color, so I ordered it for myself, and it's really worth it and amazing. So now let's get started with the packing.
Packing up again because another adventure is calling. Just the essentials, clothes, camera, a little excitement, and a whole lot of curiosity. Every time I pack this bag, it reminds me that something new is waiting out there. No idea exactly how the trip will go, but that's the best part. New places, new moments, new stories loading. Bags almost ready, and so am I. Let's go. Quiet moments before a new journey. Folding memories to be into a small bag, one piece at a time. Nothing rushed, just calm through the gentle excitement. Packing isn't just about what I take with me, it's about what I'm ready to discover. A new place, a new rhythm, a fresh chapter waiting to unfold. Bag packed, mind calm, ready for whatever comes next. We have finally left towards our next trip. The place will be revealed soon. We have just left. There's a cab coming to pick us up, and then our train is at 11:20. So let's go. I have a backpack with me, and I also have this bag where we have all our eatables because we'll be reaching tomorrow at around 6:30. So we need to keep enough food which is hygienic. That's the reason. Stepping out of home, bags packed and heart light. Familiar streets, familiar view. But today, they feel different. There's excitement in the air, even in the quiet moments. Every step closer to the station feels like moving closer to something new. A new journey about to begin. A story waiting to unfold from home to station, and from here, anywhere. This is the moment when journey feels real. Okay, so we are in the train right now, and the train is gonna leave at 11:20. This is my first time in two-tier AC. The thing is, only one seat is confirmed. The other three seats are not so. One is RAC, which is half sharing. The other two are not confirmed, so we need to speak to the TC and get adjusted. So let's see how it goes because we're reaching tomorrow at 6:30. So hoping that we get seat. I know it's end of the year, so it is gonna be rush. So let's see how it goes. But I'm very excited for the trip. So be with me, join me, and keep watching my channel, The Unchoreographed Life. So let's go. Just sitting here, watching the world go by. There's something magical about traveling, isn't there? Every passing scene tells a story. Every little moment feels alive. I always find myself thinking, life's really about collecting these tiny, beautiful fragments of time. And on a journey like this, it all feels better, brighter, more real. Can't wait to see what's waiting around the next corner. No reserved seat, and it's literally bedtime. But the show must go on. Cramped corners, weird angles, and still, the thrill of being on the move is unmatched. Honestly, these moments, they chaotic, hilarious, and 100% part of the adventure story I'll never forget.